project 2, we'll see how the aeroplane moves from left to right with a constant speed. Now, when I say aeroplane, it means I have to get down this, right? And let's say I take a backdrop of, I delete this backdrop and the plain backdrop, I take it off a sky. Let us say we have sky here. Uh, Maybe we can take this one and I click the backdrop. Now, the another thing which I want to tell is a sprite. I take a sprite and I go for the aeroplane sprite. I scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Here is aeroplane. Aeroplane sprite, I go here. So the aeroplane is here. Now, if you see, this aeroplane is too big in size and I want to move it from left to right. So, I will take the control blocks. Let's say I want to move it from left to right on the flag click. So, I click on this yellow event block. I take the flag. Second thing, because it's very big, I want to make it small. So I go to the visibility blocks and I make it very small. Very small means how much small? Let's say by 3 number. And then I make it go forward, let's say 5 steps. 5 steps. Now let me run this program, run this one, this goes and this goes 5 steps. Did you see? If you want to go for 10 steps, I do this and it goes to 10 steps, goes to the next one. Right? Now, because the aeroplane is going, let's say the flyer is very happy and he wants to and very experienced. So he wants to turn around the plane clockwise or anti-clockwise. So after going to 10, let's say I do this 1 and I do this 5 degree. Okay, so I run this. See, and if I make it 10 degree, it will be the full circle. Little bit more, 15 degree. It's a full circle. It's a little bit more. So based on the degrees, you try and error so that it becomes the straight line. Yeah, perfect. So 12 steps. So I made it small. I let it go to towards the 10 steps and I made it 12 degrees clockwise direction and then I make it back to the original position. Done. Okay. This is how the aeroplane moves in the backdrop. This is the project number 2, flying aeroplane. I'll come up with more project next class. Till then, bye and have a nice day. Thank you.